Growing up, I've seen many people dreaming. Their perseverance, efforts, and struggles just to reach their aspirations are really inspiring to share. Because of that, my ability to write pushes me to turn those beautiful stories into something meaningful. I am Yuan Rano. I started writing poems and stories when I was 13 years old. This is my way to express myself and show how people inspired me by their stories. Hello everyone, I am Yuan Rano and I'm 21 years old, currently a third year BA communication student. So, ang strengths ko sa course ko is broadcasting and journalism talaga. Pero you may ask kung bakit social media management ang pinapractice ko ngayon. Maybe it started nung nagtatanong na yung mga family ko na bakit hindi ka na lang mag-business? Knowing na yung course ko is not so much related sa business. And I can also admit na weakness ko talaga yung pagmamanage ng mga business, even money. So, ayun. And nakikita ko rin na yung mga friends ko, yung mga high school friends ko, at such a young age, nagsa-start up na rin sila na mag-build ng mga businesses nila. And talagang natutulungan sila ng mga business na yun. Kaya as a person who wants to get out of her comfort zone, sabi ko, bakit kaya hindi ko gamitin yung ability ko or skills na natututunan ko sa school para matry kung kaya ko ba talagang mag-business or even makatulong na lang no, sa mga small businesses. Kaya ayun, nung second year ako, nagkaroon naman kami ng subject na sakto na connected sa pagpo-promote ng mga brands. Na-try namin mag-rebrand, mag-promote ng brand, or parang magbuo na rin ng brand somehow. So, ayun. Yung brand namin nun was a Trend Tonic. It's also a social media management. So, I cannot deny na na-enjoy ko talaga siya as in. And doon rin kami nakakuha ng talagang mga customers, nakatulong din kami sa mga small businesses. So, ayun, it all started there. Na sabi ko, gusto kong makatry ng iba. Sabi nga nila, there's more to life, di ba? Kaya, yung skills and abilities ko as a backroom student, ginamit ko siya to enter the digital marketing. And I'm so happy na nakakatulong din siya kasi natulungan ko talaga yung mga small businesses ng friend ko. Lalo na hindi sila mahilig sa social media, ganun. Hindi sila maalam sa kung paano nga ba i-manage yung social media nila, yung pag-edit, pag-promote ng mga video and photo nila para maka-reach ng marami pang customers. So, ayun. Doon nagsimula lahat. You Found the One is a social media management that offers content writing, photo, and video editing. That is to help you reach your brand goals in this digital world. I am here to help small businesses to reach more customers through social media management. So, what are you waiting for? Stress no more, cause it's time to work with us for more beautiful stories to share.
Hello, I'm Carol Ann Castro, owner of Kililos Loop. So, paano nga ba nag-start yung business ko? It all started nung uh, overnight namin. So, my friend asked kung saan galing yung tote bag ko. And ako yung gumawa nun. Yun yung first ever bag project ko. So, nag-ask siya if okay lang na umorder. And, ayun nga, sinubukan ko siyang gawan. It worked. So, sabi niya, try kong gawan ng brand or ng business. So, I did. And doon nabuo ang K-Ladies Week. Magaan ko work si Miss Yuan. Sa kanya ako lumapit kasi hindi ako active sa social media and hindi ako magaling mag-manage ng page. So, siya yung nag-manage ng page ko, yung mga captions, pubmats, lahat yon siya ang gumagawa. And, busy akong tao, maraming ginagawa, at siya na yung bahalang nag-manage ng page ko. Pero nagagawa niya ng way para mag-work. And nag-work naman yung trabaho niya sa page ko. Maraming nag-a-avail dahil doon. And mas naging successful yung brand dahil sa kanya.
Ang masasabi ko lang kay Juan Rano ay napagaling niya kasi may isang page na wala masyadong followers at yung engagement ang baba. Pero once na siya yung nag-asikaso ng social media nila, na-boost talaga yung followers nila, yung engagement, mas nagko-comment yung tao at makikita mo talaga yung talents niya when it comes to social media management.
Actually, si Juan as a brand kong partner is grabe, grabe talaga. Nakita ko talaga yung passion niya sa ginagawa niya as a social media manager. And also, nakita ko kung paano din nag-gain yung mga small businesses and nakita ko din kung paano yung growth nila. And syempre, isa si Juan doon. I mean, naging tool si Juan doon para makatulong din sa kanila. And nakita ko kasi na grabe din talaga yung compassion ni Juan to help others and for them to gain more. Kaya sobrang marirecommend ko talaga si Juan as a social media manager.
Yung simula nung natulungan ako ni Miss Yon Rano, lalo-lalo na sa social media ko, nagkaroon ako ng maraming followers since yung time na endorse niya yung social media ko. And sa paggawa rin ng content, natulungan niya rin ako kung paano mas mapapaboost pa yung mga followers, likes, reactors, and comments sa social media ko. And malaking tulong yung nagawa sa akin ni Miss Yuan Rano pagdating sa social media management.
Are you a small business who's aiming to grow your brand, gain more customers, or create an impact as a business? Then, this is your sign to work with a social media manager that will help you reach that goal. You found the one is more than just creating contents and posting it. I am here to create strategic processes across your social media platforms with a goal to grow your business. This is an important matter because social media management creates brand awareness and engaging content just to make sure that your brand will reach more audiences. So, in this digital times, naniniwala ako na social media management really plays a vital role sa mga brand and most especially sa mga small businesses. Kasi pinapakilala nila yung identity or bumubuo sila ng online identity ng isang business or brand sa digital world. And because of that, mas lumalawak yung community and engagements na nare-reach ng isang brand na yon. And naniniwala rin ako na as a writer, my job is not just to hold a pen and a paper. Kasi I have these beautiful customers na may mga brand stories na I'm able to share to a lot of people as well. No? And Lucky you, because you finally found the one that offers a hand to help you reach the goals of your brand. So, what are you guys waiting for? Let us work together for more beautiful stories to share. I'll see you.